Welcome back to Locked in the Kitchen with me, Paul, and today I've got Alicia helping me out to make some beautiful carrot cake muffins. Let's get on and make some treats. Okay, so let's start to add our ingredients. What have we got, Alicia?
So first we've got 3 eggs.
Cool, pop them into the bowl there and give them a good whisk. That's it. What's next, Alicia?
200 grams of soft brown sugar.
Cool, pop that in the bowl. Give it a little mix around. The eggs and the sugar are in there. What's next?
150 ml of sunflower oil.
Brilliant, pop that in there. And once we've got that in there, we want to mix this all around for a few minutes just to get it light and airy. So we've now whisked it up for a few minutes and we've got lots of lovely air in there. And now we need to add in our flour. How much flour have we got, Alicia?
200 grams, and we're going to fold it in so then we can keep that air in there.
Brilliant, okay, so sift it in so we don't get any lumps.
A teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of bicarbonated soda to help it rise up.
And lastly, we want to add a teaspoon of mixed spice to give it a really nice flavour. We're going to fold all this in now, like Alicia said, just to keep in as much air as possible. So we don't want to be really vigorous, we don't want to beat it, and we just want to incorporate it enough so all the flour and raisin agent and the spices are mixed in. Now we want to add our finely grated carrot. How much have we got there, Alicia?
200 grams.
Cool, pop that in the bowl, and again we're going to fold it in so we don't lose any of that air that we've incorporated so far, and get that all incorporated. And last but not least, the juice of 1 freshly squeezed orange, which is about?
125 mils.
Brilliant, pop that in the bowl, and we'll mix that around. So we've got our mixture all ready to go into our cases. We've got 12 cases in our tray there, and Alicia's got a little bit of a tip on how to get that in to those cases a little bit easier.
So it's easier to use a jug because it's quite a wet mixture, and then it's easier to level out and pour into the cases.
Brilliant, so let's get that into our cases. We've preheated our oven to 180 degrees and we're going to bake for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we're going to check them with a sharp knife or a skewer. If it comes out clean, fantastic. If not, we'll pop them back in for another minute at a time and keep checking until they're done. And we'll see you back with the results. There we go. We've got them out the oven and they look and smell amazing. A beautiful golden brown colour and that really nice carrot cake smell as well. We've now got to make the cream cheese frosting and we're going to put that together in a bowl. Let's pop them to one side, grab our bowl and start to add our ingredients. What's first, Alicia?
150 grams of soft unsalted butter.
Brilliant, pop that in the bowl and we're going to beat that now for about 3 or 4 minutes really until it's increased in size and it's got light and fluffy. that's all beat up nice. What's next, Alicia?
420 grams of icing sugar.
Cool, so we'll pop that in half at a time and give it a mix for a few minutes in between, just so it incorporates it well, and also we don't end up in a big powdery mess, because icing sugar does tend to go everywhere. You want to start off mixing it slowly until you've incorporated it all, and then you can speed up and start to really beat it in. And again, we're going to just give that a good mix round again for another few minutes until all combined, light and fluffy. Cool, we've mixed that up and it's ready for our final ingredient, which is
240 grams of soft cream cheese.
Cool, pop that in, and again we're going to mix that round for about 5 minutes. This is just Philadelphia, other brands are available. Like I said, we're going to get that in there. Mix it round for a few minutes until it's all combined and lovely and silky and smooth. That looks pretty good, Alicia. So now all that we've got left to do is to get it onto our cakes, and we can either spread it or pipe it on there, and we'll be back with the finished results. So we've piped our cream cheese frosting on there, nice little whip on the top. And we're just going to finish it off with a little bit of orange zest. So break that on top of that one there, Liz. It's just going to make it look pretty and add a little zest of orange flavour to it all. And there you have it, Alicia. Our beautiful carrot cake muffins with that silky smooth sweet cream cheese topping and a lovely little zest of orange just to finish them off. All that's left for us to do is enjoy those. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button now. And if you want to see more from us, if you do enjoy baking, then hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to find out when we post new recipes. Thanks, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye for now.
Bye.